Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are diving into the world of electric scooters with the TVS iQube Model S. This electric scooter combines modern technology, eco-friendliness and stylish design to deliver an impressive ride experience. So buckle up as we explore everything the TVS iQube Model S has to offer. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. So, an overview of the TVS iQube Model S. The TVS iQube Model S is an electric scooter designed for urban commutes, seeking an eco-friendly and efficient mode of transport. It combines advanced electric technology with the convenience and ease of use that TVS scooters are known for, with a focus on performance, comfort and connectivity. The Cube S is sent to redefine urban mobility. Now let's talk about design and build. The iQube S features a contemporary design with clean lines and a sleek profile. The LED headlamps and the tail lamp provides excellent visibility and add to the modern aesthetic. The scooter is built with high quality materials ensuring durability and premium feel. The spacious seat and ample legroom provide comfort for both rider and passenger, while the under-seat storage is sufficient enough to carry everyday essentials. The scooter's build quality and design make it practical yet stylish choice for your commute drive. Now let's talk about performance and power. The TVS iQube S is powered by a 3.1 kilowatt electric drum motor that delivers smooth and consistent performance and power. It can reach a top speed of up to 80 km per hour, making it sustainable or suitable for both city roads and highways. The scooter accelerates from 0 to 60 km per hour in just 3 seconds, offering quick responsiveness for urban traffic. The iQube S comes with a lithium-ion battery pack that provides a range of up to 150 kilometers on a single charge. The battery is also designed for long life and reliability, ensuring that you can commute without worrying about frequent recharges. The scooter also features regenerative braking, which helps to extend the battery life by converting kinetic energy back into electrical energy during braking. Now let's talk about charging capabilities. The TVS iQube S supports both standard and fast charging. With a standard charger, the battery can be fully charged in just about 2 hours. The fast charger option allows the battery to reach 80% capacities in just 10 minutes or 15 minutes, making it convenient for users with busy schedules. The scooter can be charged at home using a regular power outlet or at public charging stations. The flexibility in charging options ensures that you can keep your iQube S ready for your daily commute without any hassle. For technology and features, the iQube S is packed with technology to enhance your driving experience. The scooter features a TFT touchscreen display that provides all the essential information, including speed, battery status, range, and navigation. The display is easy to read and operates smoothly, even in bright sunlight. The iQube S is also equipped with the TVS's Smart X Connect technology, which allows you to connect your smart to your scooter via Bluetooth. This connectivity feature allows access to various functions such as geofencing, navigation, incoming call alerts, and ride statistics. The scooter also supports over-the-air updates, ensuring that you always have the latest features and improvements. Now let's talk about the Smart X Connect app, and that enhances the iQube S experience by providing a range of smart features. You can remotely check the scooter's battery status, locate your scooter, and receive notifications from service reminders. The app also offers ride statistics and helps you plan your routes safely and efficiently. Now let's talk about riding experience. The TVS iQube S offers a smooth and comfortable riding experience. The all-electric motor delivers instant torque, making it easy to navigate through traffic and climb inclines effortlessly. The suspension system is well tuned to handle city roads, providing a comfortable ride even on uneven surfaces. The scooter's lightweight construction and low center of gravity enhances stability and handling, making it easy to maneuver. The braking system is also efficient. Again, with the regenerative braking, you will get some charge from braking. With disc brakes on both the front and drum brakes on the rear. And because of the electric motor, it's also silent. In conclusion, the TVS iQube S is a well-rounded electric scooter that combines performance, technology, and eco-friendliness. It's an ideal choice for urban commutes looking for a stylish and efficient mode of transport. With its advanced features, comfortable ride, and smart connectivity, the iQube S sets a new standard for electric scooters. So thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the TVS iQube S. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. So see you next time, and bye.